What's good, you guys? Welcome back to Tectonics, where we do this stuff every day. I have here with me the HDMI cord from Amazon Basics, 10 foot. Have this Cable Creation brand connector, and I have my MacBook, and you're gonna see what we're gonna get into today. All right, so first off, we have this package right here, Amazon Basics across the top, and then high-speed HDMI cable, and then it says 10 foot 3 meters, and another conversion of measurement. And so we open up the box. It's just a regular old box, nothing too classy. So yeah, I open it up. I got the 10 foot cable, so mine is a little bit longer. We're gonna plug this up later, actually. So I'm gonna throw this to the side. We have this right here, Cable Creation, and like I said before, this is the USB 3.0 USB to HDMI 3.0. By Cable Creation, and I have no idea what that sign means. I guess it's screen expansion. I guess that's what that means. Like it said on the package and on the description online, it is a 3.0 USB to HDMI, so there's going to be high speed connection. Set that to the side. It comes with a few other things, like 2 extra items. Cable Creation, thank you for choosing yes, with the happy emoji, small emoji. Happy, share your happiness. Join us, get insights, quizzes, giveaways, promos, and much more. www.cablecreation.com and all their other social media handles. If unhappy with it, it says our dedication team will do anything to resolve the issue and set things right. 24-month product warranty. That is amazing, considering how much I paid for this thing. Thank goodness. Lifetime tech support, friendly customer service, returns and replacements, and that's pretty much it. It gives you that, the QR code. If you guys want to go ahead and scan that, you can. Just that little bit of information. Then this is the disc. I'm guessing this is the extra stuff, but I'm guessing to get the rest of the information. So it says USB driver software. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to install this first. All right, so this is the cord I actually needed to buy. I found out the hard way that this $20 cord could have saved me $40, but still I'm going to return this other cord to Amazon. I already have it in a bag. I can return it without shipping. Well, not this one, but the other cord that I bought in the last clip. Trying to get it all set up and stuff, but yeah. This is the mini display port to HDMI adapter. It can adapt, well, it can connect to devices like your MacBook, or, well, pretty much MacBooks. So yeah, if you want this thing, go get one. Like you see right here, it has the HDMI end, and it has the actual connector port that connects to your laptop, computer, whatever you want to call it. So this thing is a good buy right here. It pretty much was a plug and play, just in case you wanted to know. The other one, it was not a plug and play. In my case, I had to download some software so I can go ahead and get the other cord to work. So this is the new cord that I bought. As you can see, it's about as long as the other one. Yeah, it fits right up into my HDMI cord, nice and snug. Fits on there nice and snug. Yep. As you can see, this is the Amazon Basics HDMI cord, 10 foot 3 meter. This is the port. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if this video was informational, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below as well. Subscribe to this channel. Let me know if you guys want to see me do more reviews. Should I try to up my game a little bit? Obviously, I'm still new to this whole thing. I should have started a long time ago. Peace.